working. It's not working.
Yeah, it is. Are you gonna dance?
It's so loud.
Freeze. Dance.
Freeze, Mom.
Freeze.
To dance.
Dance. Woo!
Do hands up so that we do play.
Freeze. Dance. Alright, it's time for bed.
Let's have some bed. Let's dance first.
Okay.
Take a picture.
I am taking a video.
I put my outfit on.
Yeah.
Say freeze.
Freeze.
Say dance.
Dance.
I'm shaking my body.
You're shaking your body? Good. You're supposed to be asleep.
I'm just thinking for dancing.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the song on. Okay.
You put the song on?
This is your ballerina song.
Can you show me ballerina dance?
Ballerina dance. Ballerina dance. Ballerina dance.
Woo!
And the ballerina dancer in Mommy's phone.
Mommy doesn't have ballerina dance in her phone. I'll find one tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
You ready for bed?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah. It's not to hear the ballerina song. It's about put this by the table.
No, it's not in the speakers, honey. I have to find one. Mommy doesn't typically ballet music. Hey, cheer up.
Take a picture.
I'm taking a video. Freeze. Dance. Woo!
No, like my dance.
Neville likes your dance?
Mhm.
That's good. Woo! Yay!
I'm doing great.
You are doing great.
Listen, that's my ballerina. I have my Edison puppet. It's so beautiful. It's in Marvin.
Yeah. This,
And the raspberry garden.
does Fancy Nancy dance like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
All right.
Dance.
You can keep dancing.